Find the slope of the line pictured in this graph. Well, as we look at the line, we can see that it's going to have a positive slope. As we read it from left to right, it increases. Let's identify 2 points on the line. We see a point here on the y-axis that is at 0, -4. And we also see a point here in the first quadrant that appears to be at x = 2, y = 1. So we have our 2 points identified. Let's now use the formula for slope. The slope of a line is given by rise over run, or change in y over the change in x. If we identify these points as x1, y1, and x2, y2, now let's substitute and simplify. y2 is equal to -4 minus y1, which is the number 1. In the denominator, x sub 2 is 0 minus x sub 1, which is 2. Simplifying in the numerator, we get a -5. In the denominator, a -2. And dividing those two negative values gives a positive 5/2. So we can say that the slope of this line pictured that goes through the points 2, 1 and 0, -4 is 5/2.